Hi guys, let's make a quick jollof. My brother wanted a stew, but it was almost work time, so I had to make this quick stew and I decided to make a jollof alongside. I started with peeling of my seasonings, ginger, garlic, onion, pepper. So what, I blended my fresh tomato. Pan on fire. Please ignore this pan. It's overused. Pour this leftover oil. I fried my sausage. After frying, I show you all the ingredients that I'll be using. After I poured my onion into the saucepan, make it fry for a while. Then I added my tomato puree. Here my editing skills was on fire, so I added something more. After that, I just added my salt and the pepper. When it was done, I dished out some for my brother. Then the remaining, I poured rice into it, stirred very well. After that, I added water, added another salt. Then I made it cook for a while. So I went back to stir again so that the stew will distribute evenly with the rice. After stirring, I just used a napkin to cover. This pan is very light. If I don't take care, it will burn. So guys, this is the food. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.